Want Pokemon in Minecraft 1.211? In just 2 minutes, I'll show you how to install the Cobblemon mod fast, battle Pokemon in-game. Let's catch 'em all in 2025. Cobblemon works with Fabric for Minecraft 1.211. Open the first link in the description, Fabric's site, and click Download Universal Jar for 1.211. Next, use the second link to grab the Fabric API for 1.211. Finally, the third link gets you the Cobblemon mod, same version. All downloaded, let's install. Double-click the Fabric jar, select Minecraft 1.211 and click Install. Easy. Now press Win plus R, type %, app data %, and hit Enter. Find the .minecraft folder, then the mods folder. Drag in the Fabric API and Cobblemon mod jars. Done. Your mods are ready to rock. Open the Minecraft launcher, choose the Fabric 1.2, 1.1 profile, and hit play. Start a world and boom, Cobblemon's loaded. Check out new items and Pokemon battles, like this Pikachu. If it's not working, recheck the mods folder or version. You're now a Pokemon trainer in Minecraft. That's it. You've installed Cobblemon for Minecraft 1.211. Like this video for more Minecraft mods, subscribe for weekly gaming tips, and tell me, what's your favorite Pokemon to battle? Drop it below. Keep catching, and I'll see you next time.